In Symetrix DSPs, the word active isn't quite the right term to describe presets. Presets are simply a snapshot of one or more parameters in a particular state, and are more so recalled than they are active. However, when using a SymView control screen, there is a way to indicate which was the last recalled preset by using a radio button module. Let's say, for example, that we want 3 volume and routing presets that can be recalled depending on the time of day for an entertainment venue, which could correspond to pre, during, and post an event. In this example, a 6-channel gain module controls 5 zone volumes within the venue, and a matrix mixer controls routing of different sources to different zones. First, drag in a 4-button radio module from the Control Inputs folder and label the module as necessary. We will not need the 4th option for this example, as it would be for system admin use only. Once you have your presets in place, add the radio button selections to the appropriate presets. Once all presets have been set, open the SymView control screen. We can see here that the matrix mixer and the output gain control modules have already been added to the control screen design. From the toolkit, drag in the preset recall buttons for each system mode. Then copy the selected drop-down from the radio button module to the control screen. Adjust the size of the drop-down accordingly. Now, we want to make sure that this drop-down only displays what is selected and that it doesn't allow for the end user to make changes. Remember, the 4th selection is not meant for end-user control. In the Properties panel for the drop-down, change User Adjustable to False. Change Show Button to False. Then change Show Item List to False. Lastly, adjust the text size and alignment as desired. Now, whenever a preset is recalled, the control screen will display the last recalled preset in text form.